Drivers behind the line in 3, 2, 1, go!
Only one spot in the finals remains, and one of these two alliances is going to take it. The last time these alliances faced each other in the upper bracket, it was an even score decided by Otto. So every little point is going to count in this one. Red Alliance looking like they have the lead in Otto to start, 51-43. Drivers taking control. Neutron's going to bring some algae over to the barge. Galehawks and Timberwolves loading up that coral onto the reef. Timberwolves also sending algae up into the net. 1 for blue, 2 for red. And it's just a few points separating them here. 4H Alarm Robotics playing some defense over on the red side. Trying to block off Neutron's path back to the reef. TJ Squared dropping off some coral. Cyber Sailors now lining up with algae. Galehawks dropping another one up onto level 4. It's almost full on the blue side. Neutron's doing the same on red. Back and forth as close as it gets. Algae bouncing out of the red barge. 197. Score changes every time I look at it. And who's in the lead just keeps going back and forth. Algae bouncing out, going to get put back in. Timberwolves lining up, picking up the algae, dropping off the coral. Cyber Sailors teetering on the edge. It lands back into the barge. 1 minute left to play. Still very close scores. Cyber Sailors with another algae. TJ Squared over on the red side looking to fill up level 3. Level 4 already done on both sides. Timberwolves working on level 3 on the blue side. 45 seconds left to play. Those last few algae could make the difference. Those last few coral could make the difference. Galehawks, they're going to drop off some coral on the level 3. That's complete now on both sides of the field. Another algae into the barge for red. 30 seconds left to play. TJ Squared now working on the level 2. Cyber Sailors finding algae somewhere on the field. Is there room for it in the barge? It's going to bounce out. 20 seconds left to go now. Galehawks, the first ones lined up on the blue side of the barge. Timberwolves going to join them at that deep cage. Neutron's looking to do the same. Cyber Sailors somehow finding room for more algae in the barge. 5 seconds left. Who's getting off the sea floor? 88 with that buzzer beater as usual. The Red Alliance wins the match. 216-161. That's going to send Alliance 2 into the finals. They'll face off again with Alliance 1.